Crocs are awesome. They're light and comfortable. But of course, when used so often, sooner or later they'll get dirty. By far the easiest method to efficiently clean your regular Croslite Crocs is by using the washing machine. I've done it plenty of times, it's perfectly safe and effective. Which is one of the reasons why my Crocs are just as brilliant as if they were new. Here's a before and after shot from one of the washes, just to show how effective a washing machine can be. However, before washing Crocs, there's a couple of things you should know. Crocs are made of Croslite material, which is one of the biggest reasons why they are so comfortable. But it shrinks when it's exposed to heat. Therefore, make sure you don't dry them in the dryer and your washing machine does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius. Always try to wash your Crocs alone. Especially avoid putting them together with scratchy materials such as jeans, anything sharp, or anything with zippers. Otherwise, your pair might end up having scratches or its color is distorted. If you have one, that's where a mesh bag can come in handy. Finally, if you love to add a personal touch to your pair, you may have some Crocs charms, so make sure you have those removed. There is a risk that your charms will get deattached during the cycle, ending up scratching your Crocs or getting lost in the washing machine. And now, as you got to know the essentials, you're ready to proceed. Here are my step-by-step instructions of washing Crocs in the washing machine. Now that your Crocs are washed, you may need to know some do's and don'ts about drying. As mentioned previously, do not expose Crocs to heat. That includes tumble dryer, hair dryer, and even direct sun. To dry your Crocs, let them air dry outside in a shaded area or inside in a room temperature. Or if you want to use your Crocs right away, you can grab an absorbent cloth, such as kitchen towel, and spend 2 minutes to dry them by hand. And congratulations! If you follow this video's instructions, your Crocs are now clean. And remember, these instructions are for regular Croslite Crocs. If you own a different kind of pair, such as leather or suede Crocs, machine washing is not a safe option. To learn about alternative methods to clean different Crocs types, head over to our article on www.cleaner.com. You'll find the link in this video's description. Thank you, and until next time.